In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show labels on the Jira board. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right in. If you're managing projects in Jira, you know how important it is to stay organized. Labels can significantly enhance your ability to categorize tasks and issues, making it easier to filter and manage them. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of making those labels visible on your Jira board. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jira account. This is your gateway to everything you need to manage your projects effectively. Go ahead and open your browser and navigate to the Jira login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, we can proceed. Now that you're on the main dashboard, look for the board where you want to see the labels. This is where all the magic happens. It could be a Scrum or Kanban board, depending on your project management style. Click on the board to enter it. When you're inside your selected board, your next step is to look for the backlog section. This is particularly important if you're managing tasks that aren't in the immediate sprint. You'll see the backlog link on the left side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that, and it should take you to a view that showcases all the upcoming tasks and issues linked to your board. Once you're in the backlog view, you'll want to locate your backlog work. This view typically allows you to see the various tasks lined for upcoming sprints. It helps in understanding what is scheduled and how things are progressing. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this. On the right side of your screen, you should see a menu. This is where the configuration and options reside. The next step is crucial because this is where you can customize the board to your liking. Look for the option labeled Labels. Click on it, and if you have a lot of issues or tasks, make sure you scroll to find it if it's not immediately visible. After clicking on Labels, you'll notice a table or a panel showing various labels you've previously created. This allows you to categorize and differentiate tasks effectively. To ensure that this information is always accessible, there's a very handy feature, the pin icon. When you find it, click on the pin icon next to Labels. This action will result in the labels being pinned at the top of the panel, so you can always see and access them as you navigate through your tasks. Isn't that neat? Now, once you've pinned your labels to the top, they will remain there, ensuring that you have quick access to specific categories of tasks. You can always adjust or change these labels if your project requirements change. Next up, you should see the labels pinned to the top of your backlog view. Take a moment to appreciate how much clearer your workflow will be with these labels visible. It'll significantly enhance your organization and help your team understand the focus areas at a glance. Finally, if you want to see how the changes look, make sure to click on any pinned fields you have set. This will allow you to confirm that the labels are showing up correctly and help you deal with any tasks quicker. Remember, your setup may vary slightly depending on any custom configurations you have in place, but the general process remains quite consistent. And there you have it. You now know how to show labels on your Jira board effectively. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your project management experience, staying organized, and ensuring transparency within your team. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Jira. I hope you have a great time managing your projects with this new insight. Thanks for watching.